reduces up to 80% of split ends after 3 uses. But anyways. So basically, if you want, like, medium curls, then take a piece about this big. Maybe, like, so right there, and bring out the middle of your finger. And then, like, do it like this, and then, like, wrap it around. I think that this is what makes the curls look pretty, and wrap it up.